everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about display product prices in Odoo with tax included and excluded. Odoo provides flexibility in displaying product prices, allowing you to show them with or without taxes. So let's see how can we configure display product prices in Odoo, and for that you can just dive into the website module. From there, let's move on to the configuration settings, and under the shop product we can find this feature. So as you just drag down here, you can see that you can just display the product prices on your e-commerce by using the tax included feature or tax excluded feature. So let me set the option as tax included over here. So from this we can conclude that as we just set the option tax included, we just need to consider the product, right? So let's move on to the e-commerce and let's me choose a product over here, and you can see that the customizability is over here. So the price of the product is 750 and we are just applying a tax, and you can see we have just applied 15% of taxes, and by including the tax the price is just 862.50. So this price will be shown on the e-commerce. So let's move on to the website, and here you can see that the price will be displayed based on tax included. Now let me add the item into my cart and let's proceed with the checkout process, and let's make the payment. And here you can see that the price is shown separately, that is the sales price as well as the tax is shown separately, but in the e-commerce the price will be shown all together, that is the sales price along with the taxes will be visible under the e-commerce website. But in when you just try to create the invoice, or when you just try to make the payment, you can see the sales price and the taxes separately. So let's go with the payment and let's make the payment over here. So we have just done with that, and let's move on to the configuration settings over here. Afterwards, you can change it as tax excluded, and let me save the changes. So from this, as you just choose the option tax included, ensure that you have properly configured a tax for the product. I would like to choose the product as conference share, and here you can see that the sales price of the product is just $33, and we have just applied a 15% of taxes, and including the tax the price of the product is 37.95. So in this case, when you just move on to the e-commerce website, you would be able to find the sales price of the product will be 33, but when you try to purchase the product, you can see that the product price will be 37.95. So as you just move on to the website, here you can see that the price of the product is just 33, and when you just move on to the cart, you can see that when you just try to check out the item, here you can see including the tax, the price is shown as 37.95. So let's pay with the demo and let's make the payment. And here you can see that we have different options to display the prices of the product by using the tax included and tax excluded feature in Odoo. So by effectively utilizing these methods, you can provide clear and accurate pricing information to your customers, ensuring transparency and with the tax regulations. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.